Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about table tags in HTML5. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about hyperlinks. I think it's like a clear explanation how to give a link to image, button and also text. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn how to add hyperlinks to your text. Now in this tutorial I am going to discuss about table. Generally we'll use tables in our web pages. So just I'll create a new file which is called table tags.html. Okay, so now our task is generally in table we are having rows as well as columns, and in every row, that means in rows we are having like a heading. So in that heading we are having like a, what you can say, that data. So this is our task to create. We are having a tags which is called table tag. So generally I'll write the syntax of HTML. So we are having HTML. So I'll copy and I'll paste the code which was already used in before. Actual general syntax of HTML. So in these here in body I want to create a table. So that's why to create a table we are having a tag which is called table tag. You can observe that. So by that table tag you can create a table. Yes, of course. The table was created. So nothing was happened if I, what you can say, that if I reload the table tags.html, so you can see nothing was happened because I created just the table, that's it, but I didn't tell to create rows and also columns. So to create a row, first of all we are having a tag which is called table row. In shortcut we can call as tr stands for table row. So in table row we need to have a, actually I want to create this type of table. So serial number, name, place. So this is, I want to create three rows. So three rows I want to give the three headings. So that's why we are having to give a headings. We are having the tag which is called th stands for table heading. So yeah, serial number, as well as I want what you can say, just I'm copying and I'm pasting, I'm changing name as well as place. Here I'm changing as name, as well as I want to give place. I created three things which is uh, in table row I created three headings which is serial number, name as well as place. Just reload and you can see that which was there in a table, and it was automatically bolded because we given like a table heading, right? So that's why it was automatically bolded. Now yes, I want to create another row. So in that row I want to pass the data. So this is my task to do that. So for that I'm creating tr. So again tr means table row I'm creating. So in table row now I want to pass the data. So here you can observe I given the headings of the row. So now I want to pass 1 2 3 like that. So just I'm for that having a tag which is called td stands for table data. So here one, serial number 1, and name, what you want you can give like Hari. Yeah, place you can give Hyderabad. So like that. So I want to pass like of course three data, and name I want to give Hari. So again just I'll copy and I'll paste it this code and I'll changes in here. So I need three rows, enough, three rows was enough, and this one should be like 2. So serial number 2, here I'm giving Priya, and the place should be like Vijayawada. And coming to 3, here I want to give Sai. So the place should be like Control S and reload it, and how you can observe, you can see that. So just observe carefully, it's like a, just I'll increase the size and you can see that serial number, name, place and 1. So it's like a table format. I want like the table format, like I want row, column, it should be there. So for that I want to give some code, I want to write the some code. So I want to style this table, right? So to style this table, we are having a tag which is called style tag. So that is called CSS. Generally I'll use CSS, which is called inline CSS. I want to write inline CSS inside the head tag. So if you want to write any scripting, any styling, we need to write inside the head tag. If you want to write any content, anything, you should write in body tag. So that is the difference. So just I'm styling here by using style tag. So just here I want to style the table as well as table heading and table data. So this is my task to do that. So for that, yes, I'm giving which elements to style. Table I already told, as well as table heading, as well as table data. And so what I need to style, I want to give the border. So generally, like yeah, of course, if you want like here, so it should be like a border we can call. So how much border you want, like I'm giving 1 pixel. So which color of the border you want, I want like a blue color, which is like solid blue. You can give black, yellow, red, whatever you want, you can give. Just control S and just reload it. uh, just don't give the comma here. So just control S and reload it, and you can see the I got like a, what you can say, that the table which is, I got rows and columns which was divided by this border. So if you want black color, you can give the black color. If you want red color, you can give red color. So this is all the things. So if you want to enlarge this table size, so you can give directly here table style equal to width. You can give width equal to 100%. So I'm giving 100%, and just observe, you can observe that it's like a width of 100%. So it's enlarges totally of our you can. And one more thing, you're getting like this border, right? You are getting two borders. So if you don't want, if the table should be in one border, you can, we are having another tag which is called just give border collapse. So you can observe. So if I type border collapse, you can see that border collapse, we are having a tag. So just give collapse and just control S and reload it, and you can see the border was collapsed. So yeah, you can give what you want. Of course, this is all your in your hands to what you can say, that to give the styling of your table. And if you want the text should be in left side or right side, you can give that one also. So if you want this text should be in left side, the heading should be in left side, so you can give like this also, that is the heading should be in left side, right? So just give uh, only heading should be in left side. So then you can give like this, which is like text align. So we are having a property left. If you want right side, you can give right, and just reload save, and you can see that it should be in right side. Otherwise default it should be in middle side. So like that you can give many things. And if you want the spacing, you can give. This is all about your things. Generally if you want to create a table, so these are the main things which was having to create a table tag. And so to create a heading, th. If you want to create a row, so tr. So if you want to pass the data, td. So that's it. So it's like a small recap. So we are having four important tags: table, table row, table heading, and table data. I think it's like a very clear explanation. So if you want like to style more and more, of course you can do. This is all about your interest, and you can give padding, you can give span. If you want to give that border space, you can give border space by using the tags. So actually I'm keeping the link. If you want to learn advanced more related to tables, I'm keeping the link in description. Just go and learn related to that and just try yourself. But this is the basic and important tags which was going to use. That's it. And I'll come with another tutorial which is called commands in HTML5. Until then, wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. Thank you for watching this.